Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off by holding power key. Tap power off. And after your device turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up for a few seconds. Let's try one more time. When you see this kind of menu, use volume up key to navigate through it to the first option, recovery mode, and then select it with volume down key. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate to the sixth option, wipe cache partition, and then select it with power key, and then confirm this operation by selecting yes. After you see the message cache wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, to restart your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.